Home renovations are on the rise in Pascagoula, and one of the most popular upgrades homeowners are making is the transition from traditional bathtubs to modern walk-in showers. Whether it's for improved accessibility, enhanced aesthetics, or increased home value, walk-in showers offer numerous benefits that make them a smart investment. Aesthetic appeal and modern design. One of the primary reasons homeowners in Pascagoula are making the switch to walk-in showers is the sleek and modern aesthetic they provide. Unlike bulky bathtubs, walk-in showers create a more open and spacious feel in the bathroom. They come in a variety of designs, from frameless glass enclosures to luxurious tiled interiors, allowing homeowners to customize their space to match their style preferences. With their contemporary look, walk-in showers can transform any bathroom into a spa-like retreat. Many homeowners choose to incorporate features such as rainfall showerheads, built-in seating, and decorative tiles to enhance the luxurious feel of their new shower space. Enhanced accessibility and safety. For homeowners looking for improved accessibility, walk-in showers are an excellent choice. Traditional bathtubs can pose a challenge for individuals with mobility issues, making it difficult to step in and out safely. Walk-in showers, on the other hand, feature low or zero threshold entry points, reducing the risk of slips and falls. This added safety feature makes walk-in showers particularly appealing to aging homeowners or those planning for the future. Many installations also include grab bars, non-slip flooring, and handheld showerheads to further enhance safety and ease of use. Increased home value. Investing in a walk-in shower is not only beneficial for daily use but also adds value to your home. Modern homebuyers prioritize stylish and functional bathrooms, and an updated walk-in shower can be a major selling point. Homes with contemporary, low-maintenance bathrooms tend to attract more potential buyers and may even sell at a higher price. In Pascagoula's competitive real estate market, making upgrades that appeal to buyers can be a strategic move. Walk-in showers, with their combination of style, efficiency, and accessibility, make a property more attractive to a broader audience. Easy maintenance and cleaning. Another advantage of walk-in showers is their ease of maintenance. Unlike bathtubs with hard-to-reach corners and grout lines that accumulate mold and mildew, walk-in showers are designed for hassle-free cleaning. Many homeowners opt for seamless glass enclosures and large-format tiles, reducing the number of grout lines and making it easier to wipe down surfaces. Additionally, walk-in showers eliminate the need for shower curtains, which can trap moisture and develop mold over time. With fewer nooks and crannies for dirt to build up, maintaining a clean and fresh bathroom becomes significantly easier. Water efficiency and eco-friendly benefits. As more homeowners in Pascagoula look for ways to reduce their water consumption, walk-in showers provide an eco-friendly alternative to traditional bathtubs. Showers generally use less water than filling a bathtub, especially when paired with water-efficient showerheads. Many walk-in showers are designed with water conservation in mind, offering features like low-flow fixtures and efficient drainage systems. By making the switch, homeowners can not only lower their water bills but also contribute to environmental conservation efforts. Customization options to fit any bathroom. Walk-in showers offer a level of customization that bathtubs simply cannot match. Whether homeowners have a small bathroom or a spacious master suite, walk-in showers can be tailored to fit any space. Options include frameless glass doors for a sleek, open look, built-in storage niches for soaps and shampoos, multiple shower heads, including rainfall and handheld options, custom tiling and lighting features for a personalized touch. With so many design possibilities, homeowners can create a shower space that perfectly aligns with their needs and preferences. Final thoughts. The growing trend of walk-in showers in Pascagoula is driven by their modern appeal, enhanced safety, ease of maintenance, and potential to increase home value. Whether you're planning a bathroom renovation for practical reasons or simply want to upgrade your home's aesthetics, a walk-in shower is a smart investment. For homeowners looking to enhance their bathrooms with a stylish, functional, and efficient shower solution, now is the perfect time to make the switch. With countless customization options and benefits, it's easy to see why more and more Pascagoula residents are choosing walk-in showers for their homes.